welcome to another episode of Food is Medicine. I'm your host Sunya Arash, and in today's video we will talk about health benefits of almonds. In today's video we have Dr. Ares with us. Welcome, Dr. Ares.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Ares. Which kind of almonds are good for our health?
You know, almonds are almonds, and that's my favorite food. Almonds can be raw, almonds can be unsalted, salted, sugar coated, and also sometimes they are like coated with chocolate. But I would prefer unsalted raw almonds are the best because they are the most close to the nature.
Very well. Which kind of benefits does it have for our health?
Almonds is a full meal actually, and they have protein in it, they have fiber, they have carbohydrates, and they have good cholesterol. People usually think that, oh, if we will take almonds, it will increase our cholesterol, but it does not. It increases actually good cholesterol, as the fat is unsaturated fat. There are more than 2 or 3 types of cholesterol particles in our body. So what almond does is it increases we call it HDL, high density lipoprotein, which is a good for, we want to have that more in our body. So if we have more in our body, it protects our organs like our heart, our kidneys. So it actually, we need that in our system. So if we have that HDL or good cholesterol more in our system, it helps reduce the risk of breast cancer. It also is good for our bones. It also is good for our diabetic patients. So it's extremely important food item for us.
Very well. Does it have any effect on our skin?
Oh, that's our favorite topic, skin. Yes, because it has a good cholesterol, and it actually, wherever we have a fat or it reduces the dryness, and it actually will reduces wrinkles. So it gives our skin glow and also will have less wrinkles. So for skin, it's extremely important. Sometime, I'll have the almond oil on my dresser, and I'll just put it on your hand and do it like once or twice a week. It's actually really you will see the glow on your skin, and it's really a good moisturizer, raw good moisturizer.
Does it have any benefit for our hair?
Yes, hair is this has fat, this has protein, this has minerals. All these things are in almonds, and if we put the almond oil on our hair, it's a good conditioner, it's a good nutrition for our hair. And especially with these new, we are getting these people are using ironing of the hair, and they use sometime they make curl, or they use a lot of hair dryer. So this actually all these things damages our hair. So if we want to use those things, along with that we should have almond oil on our dresser. So we should be using at least once a week, or every other week, or once or twice a week before we go to shower. Put it for half an hour and let it be there. So it is really going to nourish our hair, and it will actually protect our hair. A lot of time I've seen that people will have a thinning of the hair or damaged hair. So I use it sometime. So it's really helpful.
Very well. What benefits does it have for our brain?
This is one of the actually most important benefit of almond is on our brain, because it helps our memory. It reduces the risk of dementia. So I actually tell all my patients whenever I see them that please use almonds, as it's going to be helpful in reducing the risk of getting dementia, because it helps our networking. In computers we call it networking. One wire connects to the other wire. So brain, from the messaging system from the brain, if it gets disrupted or if it gets interrupted, that's where we get dementia or memory problem. So if we are taking almonds, handful of almonds every day, especially in the morning, so it's really going to help our brain trust me, I have seen people taking almonds on a daily basis, and their memory was good, like till when they were in hundreds. My own father, my grandmother, my mom, almond was the most important food item in their diet, and trust me, till the end, their memory was sharper than a lot of younger people.
Very well. Does it have any effect on weight loss?
Oh, that's another thing. We all worry about our weight, including myself. But almonds, what does is, it is low caloric diet, and it actually has a lot of protein in it. So when we take it, fills up our stomach, and then we will just. It doesn't, our hunger goes down. So if I take like 10, 12 almonds in the morning with a glass of water or a glass of milk, my stomach can be full till like afternoon. So it fills up your stomach. So it's a low caloric diet. So I think we all should be taking that to reduce the weight.
Very well. Does it have any kind of risks?
As any of the food item can give us allergic reaction, so same way almonds also can give allergic reaction. So if anyone who is allergic to almonds, please stay away from that.
Thank you so much for all information and helpful tips, Dr. Aras.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you found our video helpful, please take a moment to like our video and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Aras channel.